Welcome to the WION Podcast. Today, we're doing a quick deep dive into some pretty interesting developments in space exploration.
Yeah, specifically looking at a mission that's got quite a bit of buzz around it, AX-4.
Right, Axiom Mission 4. And the immediate news is a change of plans, a delay.
Exactly. It was supposed to launch Juneteenth, but, well, that's been pushed back slightly.
Okay, so what's the new target?
They're now aiming for June 11th, around 5:30 p.m. IST, launching from Kennedy Space Center in Florida.
And the reason, usually weather, right?
Yep, unfavorable weather conditions.
Right.
But it's a bit more complex than just, clouds overhead.
So?
Well, they mentioned concerns about the ascent corridor. Even things like tropical storms way out in the Pacific, Barbara and Cosme, could affect the upper atmosphere.
Pacific storms affecting a Florida launch. That sounds counterintuitive.
It does, but it's about those upper-level winds and conditions potentially impacting the Falcon 9 rocket. Safety first, always.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
So weather pushed it back. Let's talk about the mission itself. AX-4.
What is it exactly? It's the fourth private astronaut mission from Axiom Space going up to the International Space Station.
A private mission.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And the crew is pretty international, I hear. U.S., Hungary, Poland.
And significantly, India. This is a really big deal.
India. Tell me more.
Yeah, Group Captain Shupanshu Shukla from the Indian Air Force is actually piloting the mission.
Piloting, wow. And that's historic for India, isn't it?
Absolutely. It marks India's return to human spaceflight after more than 40 years, since Rakesh Sharma back in 1984.
40 years, that's huge.
Yeah.
So ISRO, India Space Agency, must be quite involved.
They definitely support it. While it's Axiom's mission, it's seen as a really important step, kind of a stepping stone.
A stepping stone. Towards what?
Towards India's own human spaceflight program, Gaganyaan. This gives them valuable experience.
Oh, okay. So it feeds into their larger national goals. And once they get to the ISS, what's the plan? A short stay?
About 14 days, yeah. But it's packed. They're planning to conduct over 60 scientific experiments.
60. In 2 weeks. What kind of science?
A real mix. Human health, material science, biology, Earth observation, all aimed at benefiting us on Earth, and future space missions, too.
It really highlights that collaboration aspect, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Private company, international crew, science from, dozens of countries.
Yeah, sources mention researchers from 31 countries involved. It shows how space is becoming this global, collaborative effort, mixing government and private players.
And it helps Axiom, too, right? Practicing for their own commercial space station goals.
Definitely. Testing tech, training crews, building partnerships. It all fits into their long-term plan.
Okay, so to quickly recap, AX-4 delayed by complex weather, features a historic Indian pilot marking a return after 40 years, packed with international science, and serves bigger goals for both Axiom and India.
That sums it up pretty well. A lot packed into one mission.
So as we wrap up, maybe something for you listening to think about. This blend of private companies and national agencies. What does it really mean for how fast we explore space? And, who gets to go?
It's definitely changing the landscape. Fascinating times.
Indeed. Well, that's our quick look at the AX-4 mission for today. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive.
Thank you.
Stay curious and stay tuned for more such intriguing stories to come.